I am Geoff Brady. I am the Global Head of Trade and Supply Chain here at Bank of America, and today we're talking about trade finance. So it has been a year of very intense discussions around trade finance, especially considering the tariff situation globally. And I think for us, a lot of the questions have been what has been the state of trade and how much trade is being done. And I think perhaps counterintuitively, we've seen the volumes of trade increase, not decrease. I think what you think about is, and we always say this, trade exists because of uncertainty. And as we think about uncertainty, trade finance is a good way to mitigate risk in times of uncertainty. We talk about this idea that you can't innovate your way out of uncertainty. You need to prepare your way through it. And I think this has been a real good example of that globally as we think about our clients and how they will treat the tariff environment or just the global economic environment, and planning through that. Working capital optimization is always a good idea. It's always a good idea to be efficient in how you manage and optimize your working capital. And that's been the topic of discussion, I think, around Sibos this year. As we think about that, it will come down to a few things. First and foremost, the good news is, I think the technology already exists. The technology exists and it works. For us, it's really around rules and regulations and interoperability. And I think the theme for us has been how can we work within the ecosystem to make best use of all of the partners out there that do very clever things and are very good at what they do, but also are able to exist within the ecosystem of transaction trade finance. And I think as we think about what are the key factors and what will be important, it's the banks being able to work together, being able to work with the fintechs, being able to work with our clients, and to be able to sort of adjust the rules and make them accessible to trade, to make trade accessible for all of the clients globally.